Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So I just released a new plugin on WordPress.org plugin repository, which is free. It is called WP Pocket URLs. It is able to automatically shorten URLs and to add slugs for external URLs or internal URLs for your website. And like this, you will be able to create a custom URL shortener on your own website. So the plugin can also do automatic shortening for external links that you publish in your posts. So let us go ahead and show how this works. So first of all, let me show the manual feature of the plugin. So it can manually create URLs and create short slugs for them. So after you install the plugin, you will see the WP Pocket URLs menu entry in your WordPress admin. Here you can click Add New. And here you should write the slug of the custom URL you wish to create. So it will look like your WordPress url.com / something, let's say Code Revolution, for example. And here you should add the URL where you wish to lead visitors when they click on this URL. So in my case, let's lead them to my website. So coderevolution.ro. If you wish to redirect them using a custom redirect, you can go and check this checkbox. If you not wish to use this, you can leave this unchecked. You can also add categories to links. I created two example categories like affiliate links as news links. You can create these categories as you wish. And if you don't want to add categories, this is also fine. So let's leave this as default and simply hit publish. Now this is the URL that was created for us. If we go here, then we will be redirected to coderevolution.ro. So let's try this in a new tab. So as we can see, the redirection happened. And if we go back to WP Pocket URLs menu, we will see that the redirection rule is created, and here is the link. We can hit copy and go for a new tab, and the redirection worked. So we will be able to count also clicks because we had 2 clicks. The plugin counts clicks. We can see the publish date, the link, the redirect link, the category, and also the slug of the link. So this is the basic functionality of the plugin. However, let me show you also another cool feature. So if we go to settings, we will see that the plugin can also automatically shorten links that are in the published post content. So only external links will be shortened. So if we select here yes, we can go ahead and create a new post. So let's create a new post. For example, let's write here something test, and in the content test post 1, and let's search for a URL, let's say YouTube. So we will add a YouTube link to the test here. So a YouTube link was added here. All we have to go is publish, and the plugin will do its job automatically. So after it is published, we can go ahead and refresh this page. And after we refreshed it, if we click on the page, we will see that the link is no longer a YouTube link, but a local link from my website. So I am on a local host website. So in your case, this will be your website url.com or anything you have here. So if we click this, then we will be led to YouTube. So also in the Pocket URLs menu, the YouTube link appeared, and with one click, and it's URL. Okay, so the plugin can automatically shorten external links from published posts. So keep in mind, only external links and only from published post content. And you can disable this by selecting no from this dropbox. Also in the settings, you will find auto shortening banned URL string list. So you can add a comma separated list of URLs or domains or anything you wish, keywords even, of URLs that you don't wish to shorten. So you can enter here Facebook, comma, YouTube, and so on. So Cloudways, or I don't know what we would. Okay, so in this case, the plugin will not shorten links that have these keywords in them. And also you can set a required URL string for shortening. So the plugin will shorten only YouTube and Facebook links if you set here like this. So this refers only to the automatic shortening which happens when a post is published. Keep this in mind. So these three settings are referring only to published posts for external URLs from your website. Okay, let us check also other settings that we have here. So link prefix, we can add a prefix to links. So let's say go, and let's save settings. And now we can go to all links. And here we will see that the links were changed and a go was appended before the slug we added. So, and if we copy it and go here in the website, we will be redirected to YouTube. So this is how you can add a go to a custom tag before the link. So, okay. Now let's go and check also. Here's this. So do not add category to permalinks. If you add categories to links, so let me create a new link and add a category to it. So test category and redirect to Stack Overflow, for example, or to Code Revolution, and add a category, let's say affiliate link, and we go ahead and publish it. We will have this slug for it. So this is the link that was created for us. However, if we select no to do not add category to permalink, and the plugin will add categories to permalinks, in this case, if we refresh a post here, we will see go, affiliate links, and test category. So this is how the plugin will add also categories to links. So you will see that it was a go and category of the link, and this will be applied to all links from this category. Okay, let's go and check another setting. So collect user data on redirection. So if you check here no, then the plugin will not collect advanced user data for user clicks. It will collect only click count. If you have here collect user data on yes, then we can go to reports, and the plugin will be able to to also report advanced usage statistics. So we can select YouTube link and update, and we will see 2 links today at 3 a.m. Link category, we can select affiliate links, August or September. Country, we can also select a country if we have here the collect user data on redirection to yes. So if we collect user data on redirection, then we will have also stored a country and IP address and many more custom variables for each user that makes clicks on our custom links. Okay, so what should I mention more? Yeah, so we can also choose a default redirect. So if you don't select here when you create a new link, if you don't select here the redirect that should be applied for this link, then you can select here the default redirect that will apply to all links that don't have a custom redirection selected here. So yeah, this is the basic usage of the plugin. From here on, I let you guys to play with it and to make to use it as you wish. So as I mentioned, it is free and you will be able to benefit from it starting from now, just by clicking the link from this video's description, and downloading the plugin, installing it, and simply, if you publish posts and have external links in them and you enable the automatic shortening of external links from published post content, you don't have to do anything else. The plugin will automatically do its job for you from there on. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to this channel because I release a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so your subscription is really appreciated. So thank you very much for staying until the end of the video. Stay safe, have a nice day, bye bye.
Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're